Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be working on these three tiny portulacaria afra bonsai. You can see they've got a little crazy. A couple of them have anyway. This one's not too bad yet, but so today I'm just going to give them a light maintenance prune just to keep them in shape. So let's go ahead and get some of these out of the way. Just set them down here for now. So first one we'll start with is this one. It's kind of a slanting style. Some of the leaves have gotten really big, so we need to take care of that. Probably shouldn't have waited this long to prune it, but you know, things kind of get away from you. We'll get in here and get this big leaf. There you go. That helps just open it up a little bit. Like I said, this one's kind of a slanting style, not really a cascade because I don't want it to go down below the pot, but it's just going to be more of a slanting style. I initially had this rock in there to help support it when it didn't have a lot of roots, and it wanted to lean over and fall out of the pot, but I kind of like the way the rock just adds something. It almost turns it into more of a pinging landscape type planting instead of just a regular planting. Here I'm just removing some of these big leaves that are facing down. The big leaves just kind of kill the illusion of a tree in miniature. So if you don't get rid of all the leaves there, that's fine, because a week or so they'll dry up and they'll either fall off themselves or you can just pick them off. The big leaf in here we'll get rid of. It's got a smaller leaf that was grown in on top of it, which we'll fill in. Okay, so I think that'll do it for that tree. Give it a quick spin around so you can take a look at it. There's the front, left side, back, right side, and back to the front. Okay, we'll set this one aside. And next up, this one's kind of a upright style. It's got some nice trunk movement and it's already starting to look mature. If you keep these small, they don't thicken up really fast, but if you keep them pruned, you can still get the illusion of a small tree instead of just a new growth twig in a pot. Again, these rocks, I kind of put them in here just to give it more of a landscape feel. This tree is going to be upright, but it is going to tend to want to have a canopy out to the right. Like I said, I let these get a little bit too long. I should have been pruning these a little bit more. That's the thing with these small trees. You've got to really stay on top of the pruning, because if you let them get long and leggy, it kind of sets you back, because then you'll have to do a hard prune to get it back in shape and then let it grow and develop some more. But just trying to get rid of some of these big leaves that are growing down, and just the big ones in general. Like I said, on the other one, it just kills the illusion of a small tree. The big leaves just get it out of proportion. And this is a normal portulacaria afra. I do grow a lot of liliputs. The liliput variety has really tiny leaves on it. You can get small leaves on the regular variety, but you've got to really keep up on the pruning, so you can keep the leaves reduced. So I think that'll just about do it on that one. Yep, I think we'll leave it there. I'll give you a quick spin around. There's the front, left side, back, right side, and back to the front. Okay, set that one aside. And the next one is this guy. This one didn't get too out of hand like the other ones. The leaves are still pretty tiny on it, which is nice. It's more of a, I guess, slanting semi-cascade. You know, we've got some branches a little bit below the lip of the pot. We'll just do some really minor pruning on this one to keep the leaves small. Yeah, this one's not going to take long at all. Said I didn't let this one get out of hand like the other two, so it's not going to require a whole lot. And I'd like to get this opened up a little bit more in here. It's not too bad. You can see some negative space in there, so that's nice. Get rid of some of these downward leaves, just to keep that pad there. I think we'll leave that one there. Like I said, not a lot of pruning on this one, so it's pretty quick, but I'll give you a quick spin around. There's the front. There's the right side. There's the back. Right side. And back to the front. All right, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.